Augmented reality can be used, among other things, for brand awareness. Your clients and customers get a novel way of learning about your products and services. AR brings better visual recognition and emotional attachment than conventional advertising. Even a business card can become a branding tool. Look at Kelvin. He'd collected quite a few at a recent conference, and now he wants to check them. One of these cards is special. It can be scanned for additional information about its owner, Oleg, in augmented reality. The card itself is a screen for Oleg's video pitch.
We are MobiDev, your software development partner.
Kelvin also can call Oleg directly, view his LinkedIn account, or write an email to resume their conversation. Now let's see how it works. This case utilizes the image tracking feature brought by ARKit 2.0 in the latest iOS 12. This feature allows to track an image on a physical object in our case. The business card fits the required virtual object with the tracked image. Now, what does your brand get with such tools? Augmented reality solutions can engage customers, save their time, and simplify the purchasing process. Your brochure can become a virtual shop easily accessed from anywhere. Your sales cycle can be shortened if you empower customers in your brick-and-mortar stores, giving them a virtual sales assistant. Besides carrying the emotional factor that facilitates purchase decisions, your augmented reality application can be invaluable for brand recognition and increased customer activity. Finally, you can use any content according to your goals and marketing plans. Video, audio, text, links, interactive content, virtually whatever you need. That's it. Please feel free to contact us with your questions and ideas.